Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a rainbow crackling candy bubblegum soda float. Let's see how that's done. Add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream into a nice tall glass. That looks nice, but don't eat it yet. There's still more to come. And grab yourself some bubblegum soda and fill that to the top. Don't forget to check out my other recipes on soda floats in the description below. That looks nice and frothy. Now grab a nice handful of that delicious crackling candy and give it a sprinkle over the top. And that's it, just 3 ingredients, and now it's ready to drink up. It's great for a summer day, or just a fun drink to have on the weekend. Now if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.